Hello family, welcome back to Legend Architects. A subscriber asked me where he can get free Revit family, and I thought why not show you all. So that is exactly what we will do today. Before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, it mean a lot to us, thank you. Now open your web browser, type bimobject in the search box. If you already have an account, log in, but if you don't, please sign in with your email, it is totally free. bimobject has every family you looking for, just search for it. In my case, I'm searching for lights. Select the architectural software you are using. Select the object you want to download. Downloading is free and totally simple. You don't need to pay for anything, just search bimobject and download. This is where we end today's episode. Please like and subscribe till we meet again family, adios.